Hold on. Okay, last year you guys got ripped off by the referees cheating for the moms. What's going to be the score this year? Let's start with you, bro.
I paid them this year. We're good.
We're good? What do you think the score will be?
42-0.
Okay, realistically.
22-20.
Oh, I thought you said 42. So 22. Okay. What do we think, bro?
Probably like 28
Not too close. Yeah. 28 to what?
to 0.
Now, do you guys think that in general, 13-year-old boys are athletically better than any woman, no matter what their age are?
Yes.
Yes. That's what I say. What do you say? You think so? Well, you know, the referees, those are their wives out there, so they kind of have to, and otherwise they get in trouble at home, right? But if you guys annihilate as much as you can, then they can only cheat so much. What do we think the final score is going to be, and will there be cheating by the referees?
24-14.
24-14, Sebastian. All right. Cheating, Mr. Cox?
100%.
For who? The girls? Cheating for the girls? Yeah, you think so too? Okay, you still think you're going to win? Ukraine boy, what do you think? The final score? By the way, nice perm. Perm.
21-14.
Okay, good. Travis, what do we think here before I go to Luca?
28.
28 what?
27.
So, do you think the coaches will cheat for the girls, Luca?
Maybe.
You think they'll do that? I think they will do that, but I think if you guys do well, they can only cheat so much. Right. Cool. Okay, so today, by the way, it's 54 degrees with super light rain and windy. Lady Trojans, I just interviewed the boys, and they're convinced the coaches are going to cheat in your favor, and they're going to win. So what do you have to say about that?
It's all good.
Andrea says they don't need to cheat. How about you?
We don't need to cheat.
No? Anything to say to your son?
Competition.
Real competition
Yeah,
tonight?
he already knows his name, but
Sarah is late?
I know.
Yeah. No way!
Shocking. I know. All right. So yeah, you can see the overcast night Thursday evening. We're here at Lions Park. The women have been working out in the gym for about a month to bone up on their strength. Hey, do we have that ugly girlfriend that was living with you playing? Is she gonna play again? No. Okay. Okay. Very good. Now we want to know about the hairdo. Is there some secret power with the two antennas sticking up there?
I stole it from her.
Oh, did you? That's actually a good move. You guys kind of look like bulls, with the horns, and I think that's scaring the kids a little bit. Are you guys scared of these horn-looking things on the ladies?
And I was all excited. I'm singing Master of Puppets, and then we pulled in the parking lot.
The boys are motivated. The ladies are motivated. Some of them are over there drinking Diet Coke, I'm sure.
We still got our cocktails.
Yeah, cocktails over here. Mrs. Murdoch is a little bit chilly, maybe.
Mom, thank you very much for coming out.
There's our quarterback right here on my right. Beats the shit out of the bag there against Mr. Cox. Beat it! That's it. That's what I'm talking about. All right. Beat it, up below. That's nice, Travis. Oh, Travis versus Hairboy, Marco. All right. Good job, Marco. All right. Mrs. Murdoch versus Mr. Murdoch. She tries to take him out, but it doesn't work.
I get to take him out.
Yes. It's a love fest, not a beating. Travis is in shorts. He thinks it's summertime. Okay, Travis versus Marco. That's getting nice. Do not be nice to your mom. And he wasn't. Hey, he's not kidding. Jesus Christ. He cheated. Yes, Mrs. Smith. Okay, this is a good angle. Good angle. Oh, my Lord. What the fudge? Are you okay? Dude, that's violent.
Yeah.
Jesus, you're grounded, just so you know. You will be grounded, because I have it on video. That's how bad you're going to be grounded. What the fudge? Shoot my bat. Dude, that's illegal in 5 states. We only got one mom out here participating right now. Jesus. Joey, That's right. Look at that. Medic! We need a medic! Medic! Okay, maybe we don't need a medic. I didn't even hit her that hard. Nice, Joey. Nice, bro. That's just so nice. Jesus Christ. A little bit of sportsmanship there, all right?
What am I doing?
What am I doing? Just beating your son. That's all you're doing. Beat him.
Don't hurt.
Don't hurt. Nice. This was a good angle.
Oh God. Okay.
Oh, very good. Nice thing. All right, now here's the matchup of the century. This is where you get your energy out for all the times you've been grounded. That's it. Very good, Jake.
Quarterback, and bless her sweetheart, she tried to call a few plays and quickly realized that it's a shit show. All right, I'm going to pass it to you. So Tessa's going to be our quarterback
Again,
today.
she was last year too.
What are we doing? Mom's rule, boys drill. And something else? No. That's what I was expecting.
Mom's roll, boys draw. 1, 2, 3.
Mom's rule, boys drill.
There's no blitz. Oh, shit. She's already going. It's a trick play. Kelly's going. Holy smoke. That is a cool play. The boys, of course, were sitting around pulling their pugs. These are the cones to get in the end zone. Beyond the cones. So these cones here is the touchdown mode. We got some safeties in the back.
$5 to go with Mrs. Harrow.
Mrs. Harrod, okay. Zach's saying $5 to Miss Harrod. We'll see. No blitzing. No blitzing. I think that was a good pass. It just didn't happen.
Everybody blocked.
Joey's mom wants the damn ball. Oh, nice pass play right through her. She doesn't have stickum on her hands. Okay, get some stickum. Okay. If I had to guess, it's third down. They have to get to the cones behind the boys here. Quick flagpole. Okay, I did hear that the ladies get 5 downs. That last play was a first down run. There's nobody over here. Everybody is over here. So this is some type of wacky ass play. Oh, look at this. Go. Got a flagpole pretty quick there. The play gained a yard or two. Something violent going on here. Tracy is, oh my goodness. There. Yes, that $24 jacket is now cuter. So much for the jacket. That's fine. We're getting warmed up.
Okay, everybody's oh yeah. I'll pretend to like look at it.
We got somebody flanked on the right. Flagpole right here. There you go. Nice job, Skirt.
And then that's gonna be touchdown.
Okay. All right. Here we go.
All right.
Pass play. I think there's Travis. Oh, here we go. Joey on the snap. Okay, so the boys take over on offense here. Everybody is spread wide. I can't get all that on the camera. So Joey's gonna hike it to himself. I have no idea what the play is. Joey's looking. Oh, blocked. Blocked. What a block. She basically stopped the boys. What do you have to say? That was brilliant. You smoked them. Yeah, you did. Okay, that was Tessa on the block. So Kelly heard that they're going to pass here. We don't know, but oh, here's the ball. The ball's right there. Everybody's over here. Joey's thinking about throwing. Travis running. Big gain. Joey to Travis. Nice job, Javi. Who got you, by the way?
Myself.
Oh, yourself. Okay, good. They got to get to those 3 things right there to get a first down. So they're 3 yards short of a first down. It's hard to try to get. Everybody's over here on the right. So Joey's got the ball. He's looking to pass. So close.
So goddamn close.
Oh, yeah. So close. He was wide open, I think. We got to watch that on replay to see if it was catchable. JD, you just embarrassed all males within a quarter mile of us. Just 3rd down and about 3 yards to go. Here the ladies. The ladies are playing prevent defense right now. Joey's got the ball. Travis. What the fudge sickle? They said Travis was out of bounds. Oh, he caught it, but then stepped out of bounds, I think. It's 4th down. Whatever happened there, even if he caught it, it was not a first down, so it's 4th down. Okay, so we got 4th down. Just so you know, the official time is 6:03 p.m. The boys are spread out everywhere. The girls are playing up close. Travis is over there to the right. Joey is running the ball. He's passing. Oh, Jake was right. They did not get a first down. That was 4th down. Pass play was from Joey to Jake. Jake's fingers were right on the ball, I think, but just couldn't hold on to it. So the girls take over with the lead.
Yeah, sure, right.
I'm going to take the snap and I'm going to hand it to Michaela, and then I'm going to run and she's going to pass to me. But I'm going to put the talk to my dad. But everybody else run in case you can. Yes. Everybody else runs. Okay. We're just going to. Yeah. Okay. Should we spin a little bit?
And then there's a pass play in here. Okay, now she's going to hand it off. Oh, nice. It almost worked. I like that play. It just didn't pan out. Look. Q showed up to help supervise the game. Apparently he doesn't believe in clothing. Here she goes. Pass caught by Andrea Uvelo for a touchdown. I don't know if I got that on video, but Tessa to Andrea for a touchdown. Just educated the boys. That is embarrassing. I gotta go make fun of the boys now. That is embarrassing if you have any testosterone in you. That was an embarrassing embarrassment. Can I say embarrassing anymore? Okay, Zach. Okay, I'm back here on the boys have the ball, obviously. It's a pitch out to Travis. Travis pitches it back. It's a flea. That's technically a flea flicker. Joey gets it out to Zach. Zach's running. Gang tackled, which for flag football, you just ran 80 yards to gain 10, just so you know. Nice. Okay, that was a first down run. Again, we got whiteouts over there. Who do we got hiking? Zach's got the ball for the hike. Oh, they almost got him. Oh, JD's got the ball. Out of bounds. It was a catch, and he gained a couple, but then stepped out of bounds. Okay. Okay, the boys are spread out here again. Joey's hiking the ball. They can hike to themselves. That's a thing. Oh, that's embarrassing for the ladies. Oh my God, that guy was wide open. So the official referee said he was out of bounds when he caught the ball, even though he wasn't. They were trying to make the game fun here. Excellent catches, happened to be allegedly out of bounds. Oh, incomplete. Pass was the 00 fuzz nuts, and it just didn't happen. That's okay. Third down, is there a strategy here? No. Okay, there's no strategy. All right, very good. Yeah, right. Yes, Mrs. Veach. Okay, Zach's got the ball. They're blitzing. Open. Oh, Veach has got the ball. Veach has got the ball. Catch for Mr. Veach. Kelly pulls his flag. A lot of boys here to the right, wide out to the right. Okay, they're hiking the ball. Zach's fucking around. They're gonna get him. Oh, shovel pass. Flag was pulled by Tessa. She pulled the flag while he was back there dicking around. He wasn't used to that level of speed and athleticism chasing his ass. And she got him. Our quarterback for the girls, that is. Not that I'm part of the girls playing team, but they just lost downage and yardage. Trying to figure out what the play is here. Tiffany says she wants a double cheese and sausage. That's all she wants. Yeah, right. Here we go. Okay, here's some type of pass play. Oh yes, to Tiffany. Tiffany's not. All right, Tiffany catches the ball successfully. She didn't know she was going to catch the ball, but somehow she had to catch the ball. Tiffany, nice catch. Yes. Okay, here we go.
I can fix some things. Just watch.
Don't look that way, look that way.
And everybody's trying to get over it. Knock them down.
So what I heard there, it's kind of chaotic, is some type of pass play. So we're gonna watch some type of pass play. Yep, she's looking for a pass play. Intercepted by Joey. Joey's got an interception, allegedly. The official referee here is saying out of bounds. He is calling that interception out of bounds. Boy, you know what's good about having a camera is we can watch those plays again and see maybe if the referees happen to get it wrong. You know, sometimes humans do make mistakes. Okay, it's a pass play. Oh, run, but she gained some yardage, but he did pull the flag. Her own son pulled the flag. Okay, here they go. Okay, boys to the left, boys to the right.
It's a wedge! It's a wedge! It's a wedge! It's a wedge!
Wedgie. Mrs. Beach running the ball. Thad just took out his mom. I missed that on video. That's nice. Don't worry about mom. You can get another one. The flags were pulled in the back there somewhere, right? That's what, who pulled the flags?
Zach did.
The Zach did. Okay.
These refs, man.
I know these refs are a little full of malarkey. Yeah, dude.
Thank you.
They're lined up very tight. You can see everybody's very tight. Tess has the ball. And she's going. Touchdown call. We have a touchdown call. The referees are calling touchdown. They had a good angle. You can't argue with the refs. They have great vision. He's got glasses. He sees everything. So that was a touchdown. Okay, now the ball's set. So Joey under center, or Joey is the center. Boys are spread wide.
Joey!
Intercepted maybe? Oh, no, that's one of our people. Okay, I thought it was a girl based on that jacket. Apparently it is a boy. I know. Who is that? Who is that? In the white jacket, I can't see who that is.
Logan.
Oh, okay, I couldn't see who it was. Good job, good catch. Yeah, excellent. Okay, the boys are calling a play. A lot of wideouts. Travis Evelo way down there on the end, along with Luca. Joey's got it. Joey's running. Oh shit, he's scrambling. Catches it. Juking. Zach is juking. Nice run by Zach. A couple of juke moves. He almost ran into me, but that probably would have hurt him more than me because I'm a big lug. Nice run. Okay, the boys are laying on the ground getting ready for the hike, whatever that means. We have them laying on the ground. Travis, Luca, it's Murdoch over there laying on the ground to my left. Boys are getting set up here. I don't know what down it is, but they just hiked the ball. Joey's got the ball. He throws it to 23. Okay, good catch. Okay. Oh! Huge pass broken up. That was a huge breakup. That was like fun. What did you think that was cool when you did that? Right? I mean, you smoked them. Yes, you did. You just smoked the boys. Okay. So the situation is the girls have the ball. Mrs. Harris hiking it to. Oh, yeah, they are. Yes, Joey's right. They possibly could be cheating. I don't know. Oh, run play. A flag was pulled. Oh. What the hell was that? Bro, what the hell was that? Flag was pulled back here somewhere. It was a nice run. I think the flag was pulled over here. Yes. Okay, the girls are going to try. Boys, defense. The girls are up on the line here. There's the boys on defense, but let's watch the girls here. Looks like some type of pass play or a run play. Oh, a handoff play. I think her flag was pulled. Touchdown. They're saying touchdown. What a sneaky ass play by the broads. I mean the ladies. Even though she's missing a flag. The referee must not have seen the flagpole, so it's an official touchdown. Oh my God. Breaking up passes, running touchdowns. Fire. Okay, the boys are on offense. They're all tight. Put your butt up in the air. There you go. That's it. See how your butt's up in the air? That's good. Sorry. Touchdown! Bro, touchdown! Touchdown run! Get in there. Nice. All right. You're an official football player now. Okay, we're at halftime right now. What the ladies are doing, they're trying to act cool. That's really Diet Coke in there. That's not what it suggests that it is.
It's truly Diet Coke.
It's truly Diet Coke, right? On this 55-degree evening. Our mascot's confused, but he's happy. He's warm. Everybody else is cold. The mascot's warm. Yep.
All right, let's go. Good joy, come on.
Area at the field light, on daylight, on nightlight, on fast light, defense light, the squad light, and the sound light. 1, 2, 3.
Nice. Okay, beginning of the second half here. Okay, here's the beginning of the second half. There's a wide spread here. I don't know what the hell's going on. I mean, I don't know what type of play it's going to be. No locking arms. That's illegal. You can stay close, but you can't lock arms. Horse collar. Joey's calling horse collar. Little violent over here. What the hell, bro? The women are just getting aggressive or crazy. I don't know. What the hell's going on over here? Okay, there's nobody to the right. Everybody is to the center or left. So Joey's going to get the ball here. I have no idea what's going on. Oh. Jimmy's running. Jimmy was going to pass it or something, but ran for a gain of 5 or 6. I don't know what type of mojo this is, but Travis, Luca, Murdoch, Donuts are all laying on the ground, so they're wide. Tackle. We finally got a tackle, or a flagpole over there. Nice. Okay, the run was good. There happened to be a flag blocking call, so they did not get into the end zone. That is a catch. That is a catch. That is a serious catch. Nice. Who's got the ball in there? Nice. Good job.
Hey, it's one drive, so we need a pick six.
A pick
We need a
six.
pick six, and then we have to score on our next shot.
Get out of there, man. 3-6.
Yes.
3-6.
We need a pick six.
It's 14, bro. No one picked the. No one picked the flag. Get out there, bro. Everybody get out there.
So the mojo is to take the ball out of their hands, more so than pulling the flag. I don't know. Is that the official score? I don't know. Okay, I heard 28-14. I don't know. So Tess is going to hike the ball to herself.
Up with your head, Rastera.
Whoa! A pass play that almost was good. Hera almost had it. My camera was zoomed in too much. We'll see if we got that on tape. Incomplete pass on the offense. The play is active. She's got it. She's got it. She's got it. Excellent pass play to Kelly, who did get a couple of yards, and then a flag was pulled, but excellent catch. Nice job, woman.
I know.
I know. Okay, here we go again. The girls seem to have something up their sleeve.
Oh, Zach went. Oh.
Zach trying to listen in.
Yeah.
Tessa flipping him the bird.
You have great hair.
So close. Pass interference. That's funny. Tess calls pass interference. Donuts was there to break up the pass. Okay.
Ready, say go. Whoa!
Nice. That, she may have passed it to her father. I don't know. Something about making a wall. The girls seem to be making a wall also. There's the ball. Oh, the boys have the ball? The girls have the ball. Yeah. The girls are on offense. So, you're fine. You're fine. Who's got the ball? I didn't even see who had the ball. Somebody had the ball way over there, so we have to watch that on replay.
Okay, it's going to you. All right. All right, let's go.
Whoa, no, you're good. Okay. Hang on. Oh. They plow each in. The referee was trying to call a timeout thing, but the girls kept persisting and then plowed it in for a touchdown. Okay, the music's on and the girls are dancing while the boys are spread out wide. She's got her moves on right here. You got JD out there to the right. Where's the okay, Joey's going to be the quarterback here. Long pass play going to Zach, just a little long, or Zach was a little slow, or a combination of the both. Who knows? We're going to do it again. Okay. There goes Joey for a pass play again. Joey, no, there's no rush. Yeah. Touchdown. Touchdown catch. Touchdown pass. A mom is over there trying to take him out. That's unfair. That's a disadvantage. The cheating mom who's too aggressive. Got the nice speaker going. 50 Cent. 50 Cent on the radio. The boys are huddled up here. And over here we got the moms. The alleged moms. I don't even know who has the ball right now. I'm going to guess it's a pass play since it's near the end of the game, and these are the people that are going to rush down. They're going to rush down and probably try to catch the ball, I'm guessing. Because I think it's going to be a pass. It'd be kind of weird to run it. Joey's under center right there. They fumble the ball. I don't know what the referee's going to... The referee calls it a dead play, so it's going to be a redo. That was the last play of the game, and it was kind of a effed up snap, so that was the game. Line it up, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know. Do we know the final score? 28-21? No. Line them up. Line them up, ladies and gentlemen.
let's get a picture, everybody.